Hi everyone, this is a quick review of the Benq W1500, which I hope it's going to be a good replacement for my older W500. I have tried the 1070 before and I didn't like it much. I had to return it, so let's give this a try. It does come in a huge box. This is the box that it comes with. I don't know the reason why it's so big. It comes with a little bag. I don't know how often would you carry that with you. Bought it from Costco, so this one also comes with two pairs of 3D glasses. It's just a regular 144 kilohertz Benq ones. Power supply, USB cable, and the wireless adapter, power cord, VGA cable, and a new remote. I like the remote. It's backlit. It's better than what they had before. I assume this is some instruction manual and things like that. A quick look at the projector. It looks very similar to the previous ones. Of course, what you can see up here under this little cover, that's the lens shift button. It's not smooth at all, but it works and it allows me to install it ceiling mount. And what you see here, here's the zoom and the focusing. Buttons are where you expect, all positioned pretty much the same way as the previous ones. From a connection standpoint, you can see the HDMI 1 and 2 power supply, and on the other side USB, VGA, and all the other connections that you would expect there to be. Okay, so here are the two projectors side by side. This is my good old LCD W500, and this is the 1500. 1070 was pretty much the same. So you can see size-wise, they're very comparable. Weight, they're pretty much the same weight. One thing that I noticed though, the attachment points here are not raised as they are on all the others. You can see it there, you can see it here. So I will see how I can attach my bracket. Okay, I just got the bracket installed and it took me a bit. I had to buy longer M4 screws and I had to put some spacers here because if you see, the projector has a bump in the back, so I could and because these are flash with the back, this arm was touching the bump, so I couldn't really install it level. So now that I put that on and 3 longer screws, I'm ready to install the projector up in the ceiling. Alright, here's the projector installed. As you can see, I am a whole 5 inches from the ceiling. As for the screen, what I need here, my image needs to start exactly 3 inches from the ceiling. So I need the lens shift to give me 2 inches. Alright, here it is installed. Not a whole lot of light leakage, if there is any. See our front. One thing to note though is 12 feet from the screen, I'm at the pretty much minimum zoom level to obtain my 97-inch diagonal. And from a vertical shift perspective, in order to get my 2 inches lower, I am at the far left, so fully on the down position. Alright, so here's a quick look at the menu. As you can see here, preset mode that I'm using right now is cinema, brightness, everything is pretty much standard. Reduce sharpness from 1 to 0, flesh tone is what it was. Lamp power, as you can see here, set to economic, and under advanced you have a gazillion things. Real color, I turned it off. It just enhances the highlights, where that's what I thought it was doing. I didn't like it. Color management, again, I played around with it for what I thought it was good for my screen. Anyway, so this is menu number 1. Going back up, this is the menu, the audio menu, which I don't use. This is the aspect ratio, keystone, and all the other little system setups. Second last one is the lamp settings. This one has to do with the timers. HDMI settings, I think mine are just set up for auto. Test pattern for calibrating, which is a good thing to have. closed caption and things like that. The very last one, it just gives you information about the source of signal, and as you can see it here, HDMI 1 cinema mode, 1080 60p right now, and the equivalent lamp hour, as you can see, is 5 hours. Okay, this is a short sequence from iRobot. I just wanted to show you guys. The colors are brilliant, the sharpness is amazing. I really love it. This is cinema mode, echo mode. This is the bit of flashing that I've observed when changing the different modes. You get a little bit of this flashy, which is a bit annoying. Long pause between switching from 1080 60p to 1080 20p, and you see the little bit of flashing. I don't know what that is about. I'm planning to call Benq, but definitely not normal.
Is there something you want to say to me?
I'm sorry. My responses are limited. You must ask the right questions.
Why would you kill yourself?
That, detective, is the right question.
Black levels are quite good. I'm gonna check through some other the other area where you can see the shadow detail. Shadow detail is not too bad. It's actually quite good, and it might come down to the way I have it adjusted, but I am pretty happy with the way it is right now.
Thank you.
So yeah, as you can see, it's just tack sharp, nice colors. Really love the way it looks. I'm planning to watch some 3D tonight to enjoy my big screen. Again, this is a 97-inch screen. My projector is set up 12 feet away from it, and this is a Benq W1500.